To set a lighting style effect for notification pop-up to wave in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap notification pop-up style. While notification pop-up style is set to brief, tap a lighting style. Under effect tab, select wave. When you select this effect and you receive a brief notification pop-up, the edge of your phone will light and you will see the wave effect around the pop-up. Tap down button to save the change. The lightning style effect has been set to wave. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.